Hi, I'm Jodi and I'm the Editor-in-Chief of AutoTrader. And I know it seems kind of obvious, but if you're going to sell your car, you really need to get it cleaned inside and out because nobody's going to buy your dirty car. You really want to make the best first impression possible. And if your car is dirty, people are going to think you took terrible care of it, and it's not going to get you top dollar. So you can get it professionally cleaned, although I don't think you really need to. So here's what I would consider the bare minimum to do it yourself and clean your car before you sell it. I know you all have feelings about using the car wash, but it's easy, cheap, and it's quick, and it gets the job done. Next, you want to remove all of the garbage, all of those food wrappers, get rid of them. The next thing you want to do is give it a good vacuum, get all the floor mats and all of the nooks and crannies. I also like to clean the inside glass and make sure to dust all of the surfaces. An extra bonus step would be to give your car a good wax because it can honestly take years off how old it might look because it can hide certain scratches and make everything look shiny and new.